Jackass caravan. Hey, you skunk-smelling cayuse, take a hold there. Jackass caravan, cloppity clipping through the smog and fog. All you do is sit and stop, cloppity clop, cloppity slop, floppity flop, boppity bop it along. Jackass caravan, get up there, get along, take a hold there, heave to, get a going. Oh, come on, jackass, get off of your jackass caravan. Gloppity clipping through the breeze and moisture. You're as slow as a crippled oyster. Cloppity clop, beboppity bop, hoppity hop, cloppity clopping along. There's some sodium acetylsalicylate for a feller named Alka-Seltzer. There's some Dr. Percy Pepfield for pale pallid people. There's a brand new deck of cards for T, Tex, and Tyler. Get along, Jackass, get along. Jackass caravan, get up there, you underslung son of a mule. Hey, watch who you hit with that whip, will you? Jackass caravan, gloppity clipping through the rain and slop. All you do is balk and stop, cloppity clop, bring me a mop, cloppity clipping along. There's some eggs that is spoiled and now are stinking. There's some homemade brew for people a-drinking. There's a Sears Roebuck girdle for a gal named Myrtle. Get up off of it, Jackass, get along. Get up there, boy! Pull up there, boy! Move along there, boy! Pull harder, boy! Come on, boy! Pull fast!
Well, golly, mister, I'm pulling just as hard as I can.
Jackass caravan! Come on, John L. Pull harder, Starlene. Take a hold there, Patrilla. Heave to there, Thermos Rock. Let's go.